How to sign up for a GCash account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Before that, if you guys are new to app hacks, simply subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you will need to do is download the GCash app. Open up the GCash app. After you open the app, you will see that you will need to enter your phone number to create an account. So simply choose your country code. And after you choose your country code, type in your phone number. After you type in your phone number, simply tap on next. And after you tap on next, you'll get two options. One is to log in or create an account. The other is you will just get to send money. So what you'll need to do here is tap on login or create account. Now, since you are creating an account, you can just get the code that has been sent on your phone number that you just entered before. And after you enter this 6-digit authentication code, you will have registered for the GCash account. And after this, you will need to verify with your ID, as it gave us earlier that it asks us to get verified. And after you do that, you will be able to use the GCash app completely. And yeah, that is basically how you can create a GCash account. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.